What is up, guys? Patty Rich's Kicks here, back at it again for another unboxing video. Today we got two shirts from Travis Scott. These are off of his first franchise drop. Now I just kind of got these randomly. When I saw on Instagram, it was late night, that he dropped merch. I was just like, oh, I mean, okay. And I was expecting $40 tees, and then I see both tees are $10. I'm like, buying both. I didn't want to slam my table. I'm very sorry. But, okay. Alright, so we got the first one here. This is the Get 'Em Bamboozled franchise tee. So this is a one size fits all. So I have no idea if this is going to fit me or not. I'm probably not going to open them now. I know that's probably the one thing that probably pisses people the most off about my channel is I rarely ever open the shirt. But I mean, you go on Google and you could just look it up. I mean, it just says, Got 'Em Bamboozled on the back, or the front. And on the back, it just says like Cactus Jack and a bunch of other shit. It's really nothing too special, but it is pretty nice. I mean, I will say. And then that just says Bamboozled. And then this is the Utopia tee, I believe. No, the Yup franchise. I'm pretty sure, but this is the one I'm pretty sure it says Utopia on it. But you could say it says the Yup right there. And you can see it's got the Cactus Jack logo. And you can actually see right on the back there it says Cactus Jack. Now, again, for, you know, for what they are, I don't really know if even quality is going to be, like, fantastic. I mean, they do look very nice. I will give them that. Both of these tees do look very nice, but, you know, again, $10, and it's a one size fits all, or most. So it's probably going to be a large or something like that, which I'm okay with, but, you know, so just two light pickups. Nothing else from that collab, because I didn't realize that if I got both shirts that I could have gotten a CD for $1. So I'm kind of pissed about that. But anyway, that's it. I want to say thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, favorite, all that good stuff, and I'm out.